Hey everyone, it's Lisa from Moon Prism Planner. Welcome back to my channel for another video, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Either way, thanks for clicking and watching. Today I am going to be planning for the week of September 28th in my medium vertical recollections planner. This is a kit by Watercolor Designs, and if you want to see this pre-plan with me, then I'll have the video linked down below, or it'll just pop up in the cards right now so you can check out how I've already laid down these stickers right now. But for my memory plan with me is in this video, I just go in day by day and fill in all these blank white spaces in my planner with, the stickers from the kit that I was using with my memories and what I did that day. So starting with Monday, I'm going to take a flag from the kit and then a little package box from Cozy Paper Co. because I had to run to the post office. I had sold some items on the Simply Gilded Buy Sell Trade Facebook group over the weekend, and so, just like sub box stuff that I didn't really want, and so I packaged it up over the weekend and took it to the post office on Monday. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take one of these like fun size boxes. I don't really know what these are called, but I like a little, different size of boxes sometimes. So I'm going to take one of those boxes and then this cute little circle from Cozy Paper Co. By the way, I do PR with Watercolor Designs and Cozy Paper Co. All the shop links and discount codes are in the description box down below. So it's this little circle with the silver foil. It's like a Halloween pattern. It's really cute. And then I just layered that with a like grocery cart, shopping cart thing from the kit, and then a little transparent spider web from Cozy Paper Co. and wrote in Sam's Club because we needed to stop at Sam's Club for, I don't know, like a few things. And then I had that really weird space down there and I didn't really know what to do below it or like on the left side. So I ended up just layering with a bunch of stuff. I took these, what are they called? Like mandalas from Honey Inked, and I layered one of those with a pretty like bow divider doodle thing from Dash of Sun Designs. I was trying to figure out if I wanted to use this, like what kind of divider, so I settled on that one from Dash of Sun. And then I also took this like loopy pen flourish thing from Honey Inked. I don't know, I didn't like, it was a weird space to put like a large mandala, and you had that weird space on the left. So I don't know, it left a weird area, but I think next time I will, when I use those weird size boxes, it flows better when I have it with like a bigger icon next to it. Like the one you can see right now on Thursday that says Preplan with the bow clip. It's a really big bow clip, so it doesn't leave any, weird space. So you live and you learn, okay? Anyways, so that's what I ended up doing to fill in that weird space for Monday. And then for my gratitude in my sidebar, I wrote Flamin' Hot Popcorn because, like, I just cannot get over how good it is. Like, y'all, I mean, I've known about it for a while, and then, okay, so I knew about Flamin' Hot Popcorn. Flamin' Hot Cheetos are, like, my favorite chip, and Flamin' Hot Popcorn's amazing. Anything Flamin' Hot, like Funyuns, Fritos, all that stuff. Anyways, though, at the movie theaters, like back before COVID, they started selling this, like, Flamin' Hot Popcorn mix where it was, like, Flamin' Hot Cheetos and Flamin' Hot Popcorn together, and I was like, what? And it's so good, and I wanted to recreate that. So I bought a bag of Flamin' Hot Popcorn and a Flamin' Hot Cheetos and just like mixed them up myself and was like, yes, watching a movie feeling like I'm in the movie theater. It was really good. Moving on to Tuesday, I'm gonna take a flag from the kit and then one of these cute donut doodles from Watercolor Designs because it was National Coffee Day, and we went to Krispy Kreme because they had a deal for their like reward members where you not only get a free coffee, but you get a free donut of any donut your choice. So you can always just go to Crispy and get your free coffee on National Coffee Day, but if you're a member, you're signed up for free, then you get the free donut with it. So couldn't pass up on that. We also ended up going to Starbucks too, but I didn't want to like put that in my planner because I didn't have enough space. So while we were out, we went to Crispy, we went to Starbucks, and I needed to refill some of my medication. So I'm going to take one of these like skinny boxes from the kit and then this little holographic RX pill bottle from Cozy Paper Co. just to write in my refill. And then for my gratitude for Tuesday, I wrote I was grateful for time for me, just for like carving out time for myself and making my health a priority. I don't know what happened to the footage of me writing in time for me, so that's really weird. I guess I accidentally went a little delete happy and just like deleted the clip, my bad. Anyways, Wednesday I am layering a flag from the kit, and then this like cute little like yoga clear icon from a sampler from Honey Inked. And I was going to write AM yoga, but I ended up just writing it out because I remembered I had this cute script that says yoga practice from a Shop Just Like a Heart's freebie that I got with one of my orders. And I was like, well, definitely looks cuter than my handwriting. So I used the cute little yoga practice script for my morning yoga. And then I just used another swirly pen flourish thingy from Honey Inked. Then I'm going to take a larger mandala from Honey Inked, and I'm going to cut it in half because I thought it would look kind of cohesive to have like one part here, there, you know? I don't know. I've just seen other girls do it and it looked cute, okay? So I'm doing that, and I'm going to take a little circular icon, one of those Halloween ones, again, from Cozy Paper Co. And then a new, this is a new doodle from Dash's Son. This is her virtual learning bow doodles. She does all her doodles handmade, like, by herself. So I think they're so cute. I love a shop that does hand-drawn doodles like Wild Summer Designs and Dash's Son Designs. And by the way, Dash's Son Designs is a shop I used to PR for, but my term ended. I was part of her summer team, and so now she has a whole new team for fall. So that's why I have a lot of her stickers, because I love her shop. So anyways, I'm layering those together because I had to help my son a lot with his homework on Wednesday. He was like struggling and behind, and so we were like I spent a lot of my time and you know, of the day and whatnot, you know, getting him caught up. And yeah, so I just wrote, I love the virtual learning scripts for that because it's so like perfect, you know. And I wasn't going to write anything, but it looked kind of weird just having those there. So I did end up writing in homework, and I hate the way it looks. I kind of just wish I didn't write homework, but oh well. Then I'm going to take a little cleaning icon from the kit and another skinny label. And I just wrote hallway cab because we have this like cabinet in the hallway instead of a closet in the hallway. And I just had to clean it out because we had a whole bunch of like old sheets that didn't even fit. Like it fit my son's old bed, and you know, like old towels and things, and just a mess. So I cleaned that out. And then I'm going to take one of these beautiful circular floral boxes from Crafts by Thaowie, so I can just write in. I'm prepping my Instagram giveaway right now, and I just love that box. It looks so pretty with the florals in this kit. And then I just wanted like a little divider for some reason, so I just chose this cute little dainty bow divider from Sadie Stickers. And so yeah, make sure you follow me on Instagram because I'm going to have a big 3,000 follower giveaway. But I am trying to prep it because I have to email and coordinate with several people to get this giveaway to work. So it's going to be a while. Got to wait till I hear back from everybody. But, you know, it's going to be big, so make sure you're following me. And then for Wednesday's gratitude, I wrote gorgeous night because the weather here at night has been so stinking nice. It's still really hot during the day, like almost 100, if not 100 during the day. But at night, it's so nice. It's like in the like upper 60s-ish. So the weather here is crazy, y'all. It goes from like a 30, sometimes 40 degrees difference between the highs and the lows. It's wild. Anyways, but it's gorgeous at night. We open the windows and don't have to run the AC all night. So for Thursday, I'm going to take another circular deco thing from Cozy Paper Co. This one has a spider web on it. And then this cute little raven from the kit, little raven deco. And because we started setting up our Halloween decor, you know, welcoming October with Halloween decor. For some reason, it took me like the whole, from Thursday to like Monday to get it all up. And I don't even have a lot. It's shameful. I wish I had a lot more, obviously, but I just have to buy little by little, you know, pieces every year. It just wasn't getting done. Like I was like, oh, I got to do this, I got to do that. And it just kept getting pushed off. But finally, I got it all done. So anyways, we started doing the decor. Then I'm taking a label from the kit, and then I have this pretty like clear icon a laptop that I'm not sure who it's from because it was from like a little freebie I got, and I kind of cut it up to save it, so I'm sorry about that. I just need to email some shops for the giveaway. Then I'm going to take a hexagon icon from the kit, and then this cute little shopping cart bow thing. It's a transparent icon from Simply Watercolor Co. since we had to run to Walmart. And then my gratitude for Thursday was a full moon yoga because I was looking for, you know, some nice yoga to do to end my night after my moon ritual. And I found one that is like specifically tailored to doing a full moon yoga. And I was like, oh, well, I didn't even know this existed. I mean, it should have occurred to me, but like, I was like, what? Anyways, so I did that. It was really nice. Saturday, I just checked off the items on my to-do list. And then I'm just going to fill in what movie we watched, which was Coraline, which is one of my favorites. We watch it year round, but especially during the Halloween spooky season. So definitely recommend it if you like, you know, like Tim Burton-y kind of style, almost stop motion, but is Coraline stop motion or is it made to just look like it is? And it's not really. I don't know, but I love those kind of movies. So I'm going to take a couple of these little dainty bows from the Giving Girl. I was just going to leave it like that, but then I wanted to add this flourish thing from Honey Inked in the middle because, I don't know, I thought it made it look a little more like regal or something almost. I don't know. I kind of feel like maybe I should just left it with the two little bows. Whatever. I wish I had instead like a little like an icon of like a Coraline with button eyes, or maybe even just like little buttons. That would have been so freaking cute. Anyways, Friday, I wrote for my gratitude The Boys WTF ending because we watched The Boys over on Amazon Prime. It's such an amazing show. It's funny and it's also like what the you know, and so we also watched. I forgot to write in my gratitude Friday, so I was like, oh yeah, that episode. It was like what the ending was wild, y'all. I'm not gonna spoil anything. And then Saturday's gratitude, of course, is Coraline because I just love the movie. And then I just checked off a few to-do things in my sidebar that I did. Then for Sunday, I'm going to take the last, you know, fun size box from the kit. And then I've got this, look at this deco. It's so cute. It's a cauldron, but it's like the tea light candle, like a wax warmer. And I'm going to take one of those spiderweb corners from Cozy Paper Co. And I'm just putting Wild Summer Designs wax melt because Wild Summer Designs had an anniversary box for sale because it was her 5th anniversary recently on Friday. And it was an amazing deal. And she so kindly sent it to all of her PR members and her Facebook moderators too, like so kind, so generous. And it's this amazing box with 2 full kits and a bunch of functional things and doodles and these amazing, and a sticker album and these amazing wax melts because she has this like side hustle where she does like wax melts and stuff and candles. And they smell so good. So I lit them right away after I hauled my little anniversary box. And so that deco was like perfect, you know, like a little wax melt, how cute. Then I'm just going to take a couple of like an icon and a circle from the kit as well as this little transparent dot from the Giving Girl. And then I have this little Happy Meal script from the kit and I just wanted to write prep with an arrow, like prep Happy Meal, because I had sent some Happy Meal. I sold another thing from Simply Gilded and I'm just going to send a little Happy Meal to a planner friend. Hey, Viv. So I had to prep her little Happy Meal and the order that I sold from Simply Gilded over the weekend again. Anyways, if you ever want to buy anything from me, make sure you check the Simply Gilded buy sell trade because I list stuff there pretty much all the time since I kind of get sick of the sub boxes. Anyways, and for my gratitude Sunday, I wrote yoga mat because I ordered a new yoga mat. Actually, it's my very first one and I used it for the first time and I'm so happy to have it because my toes don't hurt anymore when I do yoga. So anyways, that's everything for this plan with me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. Definitely give me a thumbs up if you did because I really appreciate your help and support. It really does help me out and I really thank you so much. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any more of my videos because I do upload regularly. And definitely leave me a comment if you have a question about anything or just want to say hi and I'll say hi back. I love talking to you guys. All right, hope that y'all take care. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Stay safe and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.